Okay, White Water. This is to do with rapid arpeggios, as the title, as is suggested by the title here. So the PIM arpeggio is probably one of the easier ones to get to speed. So I don't think there'll be too much problem with it. There's dynamic control over it as well, so being able to uh, get louder and softer. But if you feel you need to particularly work on getting it even, one strategy is to play it. Um, and we'll use the top three open strings and play it as written first of all, PIM, working up to speed, and you can always use a metronome as well if you feel that would be useful. And then do it again now, starting with the index finger. So again, index, middle thumb, index, middle thumb. So the emphasis is now on the index finger. Although it's exactly the same arpeggio, you probably feel just a little bit more uneasy about that one. And then we can do the same thing now, starting on the middle finger. So middle thumb, index, middle thumb, index. And also you can work on dynamic control, so starting really softly and getting louder and getting softer. Okay, I'll play the first little bit of it up to the end of bar 7. You're going to have to have your tempo very much in mind right from the start, because that first A lasts for the whole bar, and you've got to count it out. So you need to have the second bar in mind. So one, two, three, four groups of three. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice in bar 4 and in bar 12 the use of the third finger on the A in the last group of quavers. That's so that you can use it as a guide up to the 5th position. You don't have to relocate those fingers on the string. Just makes it a little bit easier to get there. Okay, when you get to bar 7, what I would do is get the second finger on the B on the string 5, so that it's there ready for when you need it, for when you transition to that bar. And then all you'll need to do is get the 1st and 4th fingers to cross to the G sharp and the F sharp. And then in that bar and the one that follows it, you've got to get a crescendo over the bar, and you've got that shift with the slight spread of the fingers as you come up. The 1st finger comes up 1 fret, 4th finger comes up 2 frets to the G sharp. If you keep these middle 2 fingers, more towards the 4th finger, so you've got a good gap between the 1st and 2nd fingers. That should help the 4th finger get in place there. So we do those. Well, I'm going to play those. Play from there now in this next clip. I don't think there's much more to say on this piece, really. Got the harmonic at the end. It's a very straightforward little study.